Okay, first thing first, you need to remove the neck of the chicken. Alright, so you just cut this one. I know some of you all like this one, but we need to remove this. Okay, can pass yang tu? Tak dekat sikit. Okay.
Is the chicken have to be placed in that way? Like
Yes, this way. Cannot be behind. Cannot be the other way. Alright.
we carry for a side cannot.
Cannot. Dia tak boleh baring macam ni. Tak boleh.
Only on side like this, like the leg.
Macam ni. Like this. Cannot lah because you will not balance. Okay. So once you already cut your neck, next one you need to cut. Okay, I want just to show you guys. What is this? Bontot. But you don't call bontot in you don't call S in finance. Okay. This one is called bishop nose or parson nose. Yes. Okay. So you know bishop, right? Bishop nose. Alright. So this one remove. Alright. Remove your parson nose. Parson nose. Remember this. Okay. Because in your exam they might ask you parson nose. Remove your parson nose. Okay. Next, your wing. This is wing. This is wing tip. Remove your wing tip. This one here. Cut it. Okay. This side. Cut your wing tip. Okay. Pisau tak tajam lah ya. Okay. Remove everything. Next. Okay. Is to start to cut. Alright. Which part is the dark? What do you call it? Dark meat and white meat. Yes. This side is the dark meat. This side is the white meat. Okay, you all always like the dark meat, right? Because it's quite sweet. Okay, this part white meat.